How to fix Tinder app network connection error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Tinder app network connection error. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, you can also switch between networks. That is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, clear the cache in the application. To clear, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Tinder application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. So, this is how you can fix Tinder app network connection error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.